friends, Kim from Stamping Imperfection. I'm here with Cat Scrappiness to share some new product information, and you can find all of these things on the Cat Scrappiness website. I'll add the links to the products below in the description box below. And I have here two Sunburst cover dies. We have the Mini Slimline size here. You can see this. This is 3 1/4 by 5 3/4. You can see it's got a gorgeous stitch detail around the edge. I love that stitch detail. It gives your card front such a beautiful finished edge. It's got a heart in the center and that fantastic sunburst all around. That comes in a second size. This is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So this is going to fit your A2 size cards. Again, it's got that stitch detail around the edge and that really fun heart in the center. I love that heart in the center. I think it's so unique. And again, while we're coming out with this in time for Valentine's Day, you don't have to just use this for Valentine's Day. I love these. I think there's so many things you can do with them. This is what the Mini Slimline one looks like cut out. And you can see that stitch detail. Isn't that pretty? It's just such a pretty card front. It looks gorgeous in the white. And then I cut it out in a light lavender. And again, that stitch detail around the edge gives you just such a finished off look. And then remember, you've also got your the pieces that you cut out. If you die cut these in 2 different colors, then you can do an inlaid die cutting technique and just pop those back into the opposite colors. So imagine doing one in red and one in white, then you can have red all around. That would be really pretty. I also love these because I tend to have a lot of backgrounds sitting around that I made using all different kinds of techniques, and I did want to show you this white on white is just beautiful. Add your sentiment, a few embellishments, you're good to go, and that's a very elegant card. You can also make a great shaker card out of this. Put a piece of acetate on the back of that cover die, pop a little foam tape up around the edge, add some shaker bits and attach it to your back there, and you will have a beautiful shaker card. Super easy. Maybe you've got some ink blended card panels around. I always have ink blended card panels around, or smooshed ink. You can do it in a variety of colors. I happen to have one laying around that I did in a darker yellow and then lighter yellow, and I really actually liked the way that looked when I put it on there, with the brighter color around the heart and then fading to almost an ombre effect. How about some of those alcohol ink panels that you have? Isn't that pretty, that variegated look? So pretty. Maybe you have some gel prints that you have around. I know I do, so the gel prints would be beautiful as well. And this size will work also. Then don't forget your pattern papers. Like, pattern papers look beautiful behind these. And you can, do all kinds of things. It's a great way to use up your pattern paper pieces. This is from last year's Heartfelt Wishes pattern paper set. Then I have a piece from the new release. This is called Spectrum of Colors, and this is just one of the different color combinations. You can place those hearts so they're peeking through the little sunburst, and you can try it in a variety of different colors. Super fun. Add a sentiment to the front, some embellishments, and you're good to go. You've got your card all made in a flash. So I will put all the links below.